Shein Refund Method and how to refund on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can refund on Shein, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to refund on Shein, it is very simple, but keep in mind the refund policy also depends on how long you've used the product, how long has it been since you've purchased the product, and so on. If you're past the refund policy, even Shein themselves will not be able to help you with this, but if you're still within the refund policy, then you will still at least be able to give it a try. And to do this, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Shein application, as you would be able to find there. Once you launch the Shein app, you want to simply make sure that you sign into the account, and once you sign into the account, what you want to do is just tap the Me option from the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you go to the Me option from the bottom right, over there you'll be able to find this option called My Orders. You want to make sure to just tap the View All button next to My Orders over here. Once you go to it, over here you'll be able to see all your current orders. You can simply select the order that you would like to select your refund, and then just select cancel or just select problem with the product, and then you'll be able to refund them respectively. After it's done refunding, if this doesn't help, then you can always just try to contact the customer care by tapping the little headphones icon from the top right, which is the help icon. Once you simply call them or just let them know that you're having issues with the product, they should be able to help you with that. This way you can go ahead and then refund on Shein. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.